Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is part 5 of Tableau tips and tricks series. Before starting this video, if you have not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for upcoming and interesting videos. So without wasting any further time, let's move to the tips. First tip for the video is how to assign different color to different measures. So let's understand how Tableau behaves whenever you drag any of the field in the view. Let's take an example of this view. We have ship mode with discount, profit and sale. So let's say you want to assign different color to different measures. You will drag any of the measures into the color. So let's say I want to add profit into the color. So what Tableau will do is by default it will assign the same color to the all the measures present in the view. Okay, so how we can assign the different color to discount, profit and sales? So what we can do is we can remove it and we'll take the help of this measures value, or you can drag it from here as well, or I just click on control and drag it to the color as well. Okay, now you can see we still have the one color to all the fields. Now open its drop down and use the option that is use separate legends. Now you can see Tableau has added different color to each one of the measures present in the view. Now you can go and edit the colors. Let's say I want to go with its orange. So this is how you can assign different color to the different measures in the view. Okay, let's move to the next tip. Next tip is also based on the previous one. In the last tip, we have discussed how we can assign different color to the different measures. Now, let's say there is a requirement from the client and client only wants to highlight sales from that view. Okay, not profit and discount. So how we can do that? For this, we will use a trick on that. So what we are going to do here is we'll assign the black color to this discount and the profit and only assign color to the sales. Okay, so how we can do that? So for this, go to the color palettes and choose the diverging color only, so that you will get the option to edit the minimum and the maximum value to the black color. Okay, and I'm using this black color for the both minimum and maximum value. And now go to advanced, select these options. Okay, start and end center and make it to 0 and just click on OK. Now you can see we have assigned the black color, and do the same thing for profit. And let's say I want to assign green and gold color to the sales and just click on OK. Now you can see we have added this color, and you can use the same trick to apply the black color to the profit as well. Okay, so this is how you can assign color to the single measures while multiple measures present in the view. Okay, let's move to the next tip. Tip 3 is shortcut to find all calculation in data pane. So this is very important and very useful trick whenever you are working on a large data set and you want to see only the calculations that you have created in your data set. Okay, so how you can find that? So Tableau provides very interesting and time saving feature. Either you can just here type and then colon and you will see all the calculations, or you can click on this filter by option and you will see these options. If you want to find out all the calculation, you can just select C and colon. If you want to just find all the dimensions in the view, you can just press it here and you will see all the dimensions. Okay, and same for measures and the comments. Okay, this is very useful and time saving features of the Tableau. Let's move to the next tip. Quickly create hierarchy. First of all, we should know what is hierarchy. Hierarchy is basically used to drill up and drill down the data, and we group or place together all the fields that share similar kind of properties under hierarchy. Okay, as already we have two hierarchy, that is product and location, and all these are sharing similar kind of properties. Okay, so how we can quickly create hierarchy? One method is either you have to select all the fields, okay, and right click on it and hierarchy and create hierarchy. Okay, and second one is, let's say I want to create the hierarchy for segment and ship mode. So what I'll do is I'll just select this field and drag it onto the top of segment. Okay. And it will ask you the name of hierarchy. Let's say I want to give it to demo. Now you can see this hierarchy is created. Now, if you want to use both of the fields, you just need to drag this hierarchy and you can just drill up and drill down the data. Okay. So this is how you can quickly create hierarchy. Let's move to the last tip. Last tip is hide fields not being used. So this is one of the important and very effective strategy to improve the performance of the dashboard. So let's say you have built a dashboard and you have used many of the fields in the view, but still there are many fields which are not used. So what you can do, you can hide off that field so Tableau doesn't take much time to load them into your view whenever one opens your dashboard. Okay, so how you can do that? You can just expand this drop down and hide all unused fields. Now you can see Tableau hidden all the fields that are not being used. We are only using these fields in our sheets. Okay, so this is how you can hide the fields. That's it for this video. Thank you so much, guys. If you like the video, please do like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for upcoming videos.